File Explorer takes ages to open in Windows 11 version 25H2, or it just keeps showing the green loading bar. This video will solve it. Press Windows plus R, type misconfig and press Enter. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services and then disable everything else temporarily. Click Apply, then OK, but don't restart yet. If File Explorer is still loading slowly, press Start. Type PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Copy and paste this full command. Then hit Enter. What this does, it stops the Windows search service, deletes the old, bloated search database that causes indexing delays in File Explorer, restarts the service with a clean database, and finally, clears the File Explorer's temporary cache using the Clear My Tracks by Process command. Once done, type this final command and press Enter, SFC, scan O. After this restart, and that's it. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe.